Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I have with me ATVEL's F35, a total cleaning solution for your home. What's special about it? Watch on to find out. This is ATVEL's F35 TotalClean, a wet and dry mop and stick cordless vacuum cleaner designed by Grandstone Co-op, Florida, USA. Cool. Let's take a look at what we get in the box. First we have a manual, hex key for the handle, carpet brush, mop control handle. It has these buttons on top. Crevice nozzle, extension rod, motorized mattress brush, dust box. Here's the filter. It opens up like so for cleaning and emptying. HEPA filter cleaning brush, motorized floor brush. It's quite flexible, making access easy. It comes with this brush. 2-in-1 dusting brush. The brush section can slide out of the way like so. Here's the mop section. It comes with a roller brush pre-installed. Power adapter. This is the charging dock and the mop would be charged using these pins here. This tray section prevents any water from flowing out during self-cleaning. We have another stand for the vacuum accessories, cleaning brush for the dirty water tank. Before we can use the mop, we need to install the control handle. Align and push in to install. And this is how the ATVEL F35 mop looks once put together. We have the ATVEL logo on the side. This is the main vacuum cleaner, which has 11,000 PA suction power and is also the part that powers the mop. The battery is also contained within. Behind the mop we have a clean water tank. Fill and install back like this. The front has the dirty water tank, which would contain all the dirty water and dust that has been mopped in. There's a filter here. It just snaps back on easily. Here's the bottom of the mop. It comes with a roller brush by default. It can be replaced with a carpet brush quite easily. The power button on the handle turns the mop on, and the mode button allows switching between wet and dry vacuuming. We can also see the current battery level. It uses an upright design. Just tap with your foot to disengage the lock and start cleaning. Now for some dry mopping. We have this dust here and it picks it up without a hitch. It's all in this dustbin water tank here. Here's tea powder, no problem at all. This is all the dust that was picked up. Before we wet mop, we need to fill water into the clean water tank first. Install the tank back onto the vacuum cleaner. Start up the vacuum, make sure it's in wet suction mode, and I have some ketchup here which is picked up quite easily, no problem at all. It happened in one go and there's no water streaking too. Hold down the switch to enable max power mode, which also increases the water spray and suction power. This is how the water looks in the dirty water tank. To initiate self-cleaning, first dock the vacuum cleaner. When it's charging, hold down the power button for 3 seconds to initiate self-cleaning. Water flows into the dock tray and the roller is washed and then dried. All the water then enters the dirty water tank. You can see it coming in here. Make sure to empty the dirty water tank and rinse it after use. Using the provided cleaning brush, we can maintain the vacuum inlets and the same can be used for the tank too. Now for the F35's transformation trick. The vacuum module can be ejected like so and attached to the dustbin provided. Now it's a handheld vacuum. Quite small and sleek and lightweight too. The 11,000 PA suction power helps with cleaning. We also have a battery indicator here. We have 2 cleaning modes, Eco and Max. The filter is a HEPA H12 filter which helps in capturing dust and allergens from the air. Cleaning is easy, open like so and you can use the included brush to clean the filter. Let's try out the 2-in-1 brush first. Great for cleaning around the counters and consoles, especially hard to reach areas. Car interiors are also easy to clean using this brush. Next is the crevice nozzle. Great for corners or in between small areas. Corners are easy to clean with this brush. Use the extension handle and you can also reach the spider webs on the ceiling. Mattress brush. This brush can take the shape of the mattress, sofa, upholstery and provides the best cleaning as it is motorized too. Last but not least, we have the motorized floor brush. We have LEDs in front which would help with the dark areas such as under the sofa. This is how the roller brush rotates. It's quite flexible. You can turn it left and right by twisting the handle and you can go down up to 180 degrees, making it easy to reach under the sofa. The roller brush can be removed for cleaning using this release knob here. Clean and replace, lock the knob back, and it's ready to use again. Battery life is around 56 minutes in handheld vacuum mode and 30 to 40 minutes in wet and dry mopping mode. The battery takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge completely. I like that the vacuum has a stand for everything and all the parts and accessories have a place to sit, making it easy to find when necessary. The vacuum charges when on the dock and needs to be docked onto the mop for it to do so, as the battery is within the vacuum. So that was the ATVEL F35, a truly total cleaning solution. I like that it can transition between a motorized mop and a handheld stick vacuum. It's compact, ergonomic to use and pretty lightweight too. It's very quiet in normal mode with a max noise level around 78 decibels. And who is the F35 for? Basically all households like apartments, villas, as it can handle both wet and dry messes. It's ideal for Indian homes too. And it's great for pet owners also because it can take pet hair from the carpets using the carpet brush. So this product is available on Amazon and the link can be found in the description. Also, how did you all like the ATVEL F35? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.